So I'm back from my 10-mile run and I'm just going to get some stretches started. Just doing a little cat stretch with my cat. I really hate when he waggles his bum in my face. What the hell's that? So cat stretch is basically on all fours. You sink your stomach down towards the ground, and I find bending my arms helps with this, and then suck your stomach up into your spine and arch your back like a cat. And if you have a real cat, he'll probably walk under you like Sinner's trying to do now. Then of course there is this one which stretches out your side as well. Basically got my, is this right or left? I have my left leg there, this knee, my right knee goes over the top of it, connect the back of your right arm to the back of your right knee and sort of just turn, and that sort of stretches out all your spine. I can feel it all along my right side. This one's actually from yoga. I cannot for the life of me remember what it's called. I think it's something really stupid like face of a cow. Another sort of stretch, sort of strength thing that you can do. It's known as the Glute Bridge, I believe. Basically, lie on your back. Your hands should be palm up, down. And then you make a bridge with your glutes. You thrust your hips up, keeping your hands on the ground, your head nice and straight on the ground. You should feel that all on the quadriceps up here. And also, if you just grab a hold of your bum there, you'll feel your gluteus maximus working as well. And yeah, that's cramp. That's not supposed to happen. You are ready to, or reach down if you need to. Yes. This is why you have a cat flap cat. You do realise that. There is also the yeah, I'm gonna go get some food now because I'm kind of hungry. And my cat's yowling at me because he's had no attention from 6 o'clock this evening. So, I'll see you later. Goodbye.